Hi guys! Long time no see. Hindi. We are always seeing each other sa tabi-tabi. Today, I'm going to my daughter's apartment to pick up her, and we're going to parlor to hair dye my hair. Marami na tayong uban. And she wants to cut her hair to short. Maybe like until ganito. From here. From there to here. Parang ganun. Puro hair ka na. Yes. And very bad weather tayo today. No. I'm sorry. It's not bad weather because Tsuyu. Here in Japan is Tsuyu or rainy season. So, ganyan lagi. Hindi natin may nagdidilim na parang uulan na po. So, maga akong nag-ayos, nag-ayos. Nagasan natin ulit ang ating buhok. Kasi naglagay ako ng oil pala. Hindi pwede kulayan pag may oil ang buhok. So, shampoo tayo. Ganun. Without rinse na yun. Kasi shampooin tayo ng bongga doon. At mamasahin natin yung scalp. So, ayan guys. Dito pa rin ako sa parking. Tinawagan ko si Bunso. I called her. Then, she said, I'm so early. Mas mabuti na po yung maaga kaysa sa late. Kasi ganun kasi ugali ko. Pag ako talagang may lakad, lagi akong kailangan on time. Yun ang naging ugali ko. No? Pero hindi, ang mga Pinoy, di ba? Minsan di ganun. But anyway, I'm so lucky at kaya kong i-manage ang aking time. So, let's go na ako. Magbibiyahin na tayo sa city. Going to city to pick up her. And pabanching-banching muna kami. Okay, today is Thursday. At this week, I'm so busy. I had many schedules. Kala mo, no? And tomorrow is my Bible study, Friday. Home study po. Sister is coming to my house, and every Tuesday night, 7 p.m. start, meron kaming gathering. We have a gathering, a Bible study gathering, all in all. So, nakaka-attend lang po ako at natututo tayo kahit paano po. I'm so happy na talagang they are welcoming me to learn at the same time with brother and sister. So, ayan. Hindi po dito nagtatapos ang ating video. So, I wish na makunan ko din si Bunso. So, okay guys. At konting patalastas. I want to share my summer, what is this? All season. We can use this all season. Meron po itong mga butas-butas dito. Yung parang knitting na binili ko po. Maraming tinda dito sa hospital. Marami siyang purpose. Kaya I love this. Yung isa dito black. And ito ay kulay ng damit ko. Parang beige. Yan guys. All beige. Nakaset tayo. No? Yan. Ang ating bag din ay beige. Yan. Ititerno-terno natin. So, ngayon may power na tayo. In the grace of the Lord. Sa ating God in heaven. In the name of Jesus Christ. Na lagi tayo pray na i-bless tayo always and protect us every day in our life. Okay, guys, hope you enjoy your day today and see you later again for the continuation of my video. Okay, yes, thank you. Let's get up ang Lola. See you later. I'm here waiting na kay Bunso. Ayan. 1 minute na lang, 11:30 na. So, yun po ang kanilang parking. Dito na tayo.